Hello aspirants, welcome back. In this video I am covering a SARC in lecture series, and your lecture is a part of your GTO test and it plays very important role in your performance. Here I am covering important points about the topic that help you guys to know about the topic in brief, and your lecture is for 3 minutes only. It's not possible for anyone to cover everything about the topic in 3 minutes. So guys, you have to know about the only important points that help you to explain yourself in a better way. In this test, first time you are facing GTO as well as your group member, and all eyes on you. So you should take the advantage of this opportunity and reflect your presentation as well as knowledge about the topic and create impact to your group member as well as to GTO. Let's start the topic. SARC stands for the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, and the idea is given by the former president of Bangladesh, and you should remember the name, Ziaur Rahman, in 1985, the first summit held in Dhaka in 1985. And it is the South Asian countries, and these are the economic and geopolitical organization of 8 countries, and you should remember all the names of all countries. And if you start from India in clockwise direction, easily you remember India, Nepal, Bhutan, go for Bangladesh, then Maldives, come to Sri Lanka, then go for Pakistan, and at the end Afghanistan. The aim behind this summit is that to bridge a future leader, build a bridge between the future leaders of South Asian on the platform that support engagement and the cooperation between the member states, and linkage will be set up so they can nurture regional interaction, support and democratic norm and peaceful cooperation between the member states. It's also accelerate the economic growth, social progress and cultural development in the region between the member states, promote the welfare of the people of South Asia and improve the quality of a life of the member states, to promote the collaboration and mutual assistance in the economic, cultural, technical and scientific field. These are the aims of the SARC. So that I elaborated in 5 points. So if you remember all these things, then you're able to elaborate this topic in more ways. Afghanistan joined this summit in 2007. The headquarters of this summit is in Kathmandu. The General Secretary currently is Amjad Hussain. He is from the Pakistan. He joined SARC since 2017. These are some regional centers established in the member states. So if you remember also, it's add advantage, like agriculture center is Bangladesh, forestry center in Bangladesh, this DMC is in India, that disaster management center, development center is in Bhutan, HRD in Pakistan, energy center in Pakistan. The SARC country comprises of 3% of a world area, 21% of the world population and 3.8% of the global economy. Let's summarize the topic. That at the initial stage you have to introduce the SARC. SARC stands for when it is established in 1985, who gave the idea, the former president of Bangladesh, the aim of the SARC summit, who joined, Afghanistan joined in 2000, where is the headquarters, who is the general secretary, what are the regional centers in the member states. The SARC countries comprises of this much knowledge. If you have, then you are able to speak for at least for 3 minutes. So please guys, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get the notification on the next uploaded video. And thank you so much for watching this video.